Here is the honest number nobody on the internet will just give you straight. A finished, move-in ready, single-slope Barndominium in 2026 will cost you somewhere between $130,000 and $320,000 for a 2,000 square foot build at standard finishes. And if you want high-end finishes, the kind that looks like what you've been saving on your phone, that ceiling climbs to $350,000 and beyond. Those are Q1 2026 numbers from Market Survey, Home Guide, and Buildings Guide, not estimates from 3 years ago, not kit prices dressed up to look like finished homes. Now here is why those numbers are almost useless without context. There is a number that builders quote you, and there is the number you actually spend. In the Barndominium world, the gap between those two figures is where people lose $30,000, $50,000, sometimes more. And with the single slope specifically, the roof form, the design, are the cost factors that are unique to the configuration that the content you've been watching almost certainly never told you about. Today, I'm going to walk you through all the cost breakdown, what each piece actually costs in 2026, where the single slope adds value, where it adds cost, and what your budget actually needs to look like depending on the building type you are planning. Let's get into it. I'm breaking this down layer by layer in this video, but there is one cost specific to the single slope that surprises almost every builder who chooses this design, and I'm getting to it in the second half. Stay with me. Layer 1, the shell, what the kit price actually covers. If you've spent any time researching Barndominiums online, you have seen kit prices in the $30 to $50 per square foot range. You may have done the math. 20,000 square feet at $40 per square foot equals $80,000. That sounds incredible, and it would be like $80,000 bought you a finished home. It doesn't. According to Market Price Survey and Home Guide's 2026 pricing data, a Barndominium kit at $30 to $50 per square foot covers the steel shell, the primary and secondary framing, the metal siding, the roofing panels, and the trim. Materials only run $20 to $35 per square foot. The remaining $10 to $15 per square foot is on-site assembly labor. That is the entire scope of a kit purchase. No foundation, no insulation, no plumbing, no electrical, no HVAC, no drywall, no flooring, no kitchen, no bathrooms. Buildings Guide's 2026 buyer data puts it plainly. The shell and structure account for roughly 25% of the total finished cost of a Barndominium. The other 75% is everything that happens after the shell is up. That ratio is the most important number in this video. Write it down. For a single slope specifically, the good news is that the roof form is structurally simple. One continuous plane, no ridges, no competing valleys, no complex truss intersections. That structural simplicity keeps the shell cost at the competitive end of the kit range. It is a genuine cost advantage of this design over monitor and combination roofs. Layer 2, foundation and site prep. Most single-slope Barndominiums go on a concrete slab. Home Guide's 2026 data and on-site survey puts a concrete slab foundation at $6 to $14 per square foot, depending on thickness, reinforcement, and soil conditions. On a 2,000 square foot footprint, that's $12,000 to $28,000 for the slab alone. But the slab is only part of the site cost. If you're building on rural land, which most Barndominium builds are, site preparation includes clearing and grading, which runs $1,200 to $8,000. Driveways add cost. If you need a well, budget $10,000 to $30,000. Septic runs $3,000 to $10,000. Rural electrical hookup can run $10,000 to $25,000 depending on distance from the line. A basic building permit runs $500 to $2,000. Additional trade permits for electrical, plumbing, and HVAC add $50 to $300 each. It's worthy to note that developing a rural lot can add up to $75,000 to your total before the shell goes up, when you factor in all utility services, road access, and land clearing. That is not the worst case. That is the upper range of normal for a raw, rural parcel. A lot of people budget the building and forget the land entirely. Plan for site and foundation costs separately from day one before you touch the kit budget. Layer 3. Insulation, the single-slope specific reality. This is where the single slope has a specific conversation that generic Barndominium content skips. Metal buildings do not insulate themselves. Steel conducts heat and cold directly, which means without a proper thermal envelope, your single-slope Barndominium will be uncomfortable year-round, regardless of how beautiful it looks. The industry standard for Barndominium metal framing is closed-cell spray foam. It creates both the thermal barrier and the vapor barrier the metal structure requires. According to Home Guide's 2026 pricing, closed-cell spray foam runs $1.50 to $5 per square foot of surface area. The single slope has one important insulation reality. The vaulted ceiling that follows the roof pitch is one of your largest insulation surfaces in the entire building. The high wall at the tall end is another major surface. More ceiling area and more high wall exposure than a flat ceiling gable means your spray foam bill is proportionally higher per square foot of floor area. For a properly insulated 2,000 square foot single slope build, budget $15,000 to $25,000 for closed cell spray foam covering walls and the vaulted ceiling. For HVAC, market pricing data and Home Guide's 2026 data puts a new Barndominium system with ductwork at $7,000 to $16,000 installed. If you go with the more popular option for open-plan Barndominiums, a multi-zone ductless mini-split system, budget $8,000 to $18,000, depending on the number of zones and brand tier. These two line items together, insulation and HVAC, regularly run $15,000 to $20,000 higher than what first-time builders budgeted because they used standard residential estimates instead of Barndominium-specific ones. That is not bad luck. That is the cost of building in metal with high ceilings and open spans. Plan for it. The cost I promised you, the one almost every single slope builder gets wrong the first time, is coming up next. It involves the one feature that defines this entire roof form. Don't skip it. Layer 4, the clerestory glazing, the cost most people miss. The single-slope Barndominium has one defining feature that separates it visually from every other roof form: the high wall. The tall side, created by the monopitch, gives you the opportunity for clerestory glazing along the top of that wall. It is the feature that creates the dramatic ceiling volume, floods the interior with light, and makes the single slope look like premium residential architecture rather than a shed with ambitions. It is also the feature that blows up the glazing budget of almost every first-time single-slope builder. Standard kit openings are basic. When you upgrade to a genuine clerestory window package, multiple fixed panels running the high wall length, you are in custom structural territory. According to All Draft Home Design's 2025 data, large custom openings like clerestory windows require structural reinforcement costing $500 to $2,000 per opening, beyond the cost of the windows themselves. According to Barndominium Zone's 2026 window guide, standard window costs run $200 to $500 each, with $100 to $350 per window for installation. Better energy-efficient units run $130 to $1,200 per window, with installation at $200 to $800 each. When you add it up across a proper clerestory run on a 2,000 square foot single slope, multiple large format openings, structural reinforcement, energy-efficient glazing, and installation, a realistic clerestory glazing budget runs $15,000 to $35,000 for a standard build and climbs toward $40,000 and above for premium floor-to-ceiling frameless glazing packages. This is the number that people consistently discover midway when it's too late to redesign around it. The clerestory is not a nice-to-have upgrade in a single slope. It is the entire design premise of this roof form. Budget it specifically with actual quotes from glazing suppliers in your region before you finalize your plans. Layer 5, interior finish, where most of the money goes. This is where the 75% rule plays out in real dollars. Interior finishing is where your single-slope Barndominium goes from a dry, insulated shell to a home. It is also the layer where the range of possible costs is the widest of anything we've covered. The numbers from Home Guide and multiple 2026 pricing sources. Drywall installation runs $1.50 to $3.50 per square foot. Flooring, polished concrete costs $2 to $8 per square foot finished. Luxury vinyl runs $4 to $8 per square foot. Hardwood climbs to $10 to $15 per square foot installed. Kitchen and bathrooms are where the biggest variation lives. Builder-grade kitchen finishes run $15,000 to $25,000. Custom kitchens with stone countertops and custom cabinetry run $40,000 to $80,000 and beyond. Interior painting adds $1 to $6 per square foot. Looking at it by finish level across the full interior, builder-grade finishes run $25 to $45 per square foot, according to 2026 pricing data. Standard upgraded selections run $40 to $75 per square foot. Custom finishes run $65 to $120 per square foot and above. On a 2,000 square foot build, that difference is between $50,000 and $240,000, depending entirely on the choices you make inside the building. The single-slope Barndominium you saved on your phone with the polished concrete floor, the custom kitchen island, and the dramatic pendant lighting above it, those choices are in the $75 to $120 per square foot range. That is not criticism. That is the honest number. Know what you are actually building before you set your budget.
The real numbers. 3 build scenarios. Let's put it all together. 3 real scenarios for a 2,000 square foot single-slope Barndominium in 2026, excluding land cost. Scenario 1. The budget build. You are owner-managing, keeping specs simple, doing some work yourself. Kit with assembly, $60,000. Slab foundation, $15,000. Site prep and permits, $20,000. Basic insulation plus entry-level ducted HVAC, $20,000. Standard kit window openings, no clerestory upgrade, $12,000. Builder-grade interior finishes, $55,000. Total, roughly $182,000. This is a livable, functional home. It is not what you see on social media. Scenario 2, the standard build. Professional contractor, spray foam insulation, clerestory package included. Kit with professional assembly, $80,000. Foundation and site, $35,000. Closed cell spray foam insulation plus multi-zone mini-split HVAC, $35,000. Clerestory window package, $25,000. Standard upgraded interior finishes, $90,000. Total, roughly $265,000. This sits in the middle of the verified national average range. This is what a well-executed single-slope build honestly costs. Scenario 3, the premium build. Custom design, high-end finishes, full glazing statement. Custom shell, engineering and design, $120,000. Full site development, $50,000. Spray foam and premium multi-zone HVAC, $45,000. Floor-to-ceiling premium glazing package, $40,000. Custom interior finishes, $150,000. Total, $405,000. This is the build that gets photographed. This is what is on the mood board. The national average for a finished Barndominium, according to Angie's 2026 data, is $230,000. The single slope, because of the clerestory glazing premium and the vaulted ceiling insulation surface area, tends to land toward the upper half of that range for a properly executed build. If you want the full design intent of the single slope, the light, the volume, the drama, plan for $250,000 to $300,000 on a 2,000 square foot build. Here's the one sentence that summarizes everything. The kit is 25% of what you'll spend. The rest is foundation, site,
insulation, glazing, and interior finish, and every one of those categories has a budget version and a premium version, and which you choose determines whether you spend $182,000 or $405,000 on the same 2,000 square foot floor plan. The single slope is genuinely one of the best value roof forms in this space. Structurally simple, one gutter, clean drainage, solar optimized roof plane, no valley leak risk. The clerestory opportunity it creates is unmatched by any other roof form at the same cost. These are real, lasting advantages, but only if you go in with a budget that reflects what you are actually building, not what the kit price suggests. Drop a comment right now. What size are you planning, and what is your current budget target? Tell me the number, and I'll tell you honestly whether it's in range for what you want to build. I read every comment. Use it. If this was the honest breakdown you needed, like it, share it with someone in the planning phase right now. Subscribe for more content built on real numbers. See you in the next one.